Can you answer the school questions? Not all adults can answer these questions correctly. Let's get started. Which organ of the human body is the largest? That's right, it's skin. The second most populous country in the world. That's right, this is India. Let's solve the issue more complicated. It is necessary to apply your mathematical skills. Are you ready? Peter collected 20 apples. Mike was able to collect 20% less. How much did Mike collect? Well done. The correct answer is 16 apples. Now I will not give several answers. You need to think. We know that matter consists of atoms, atoms of protons, neutrons and electrons, protons and neutrons of quarks. But what are quarks made of? Okay, that was a joke. I like to joke. There is no answer to this question. If Isaac Newton had moved into the future, he would have been glad to see how far physics has advanced. Things that were a mystery a few centuries ago are now taught in school lessons. Unfortunately, scientists do not have verified information about whether quarks are the smallest unit or there is S. How many sides does a cube have? Yes, the cube has 6 sides. How many oceans are there on Earth? That's right, there are only 5 oceans on Earth: Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, Southern, and Arctic. Many children like to ask their parents why. Can you answer the following question? Let's find out. Why is the wind blowing? As the heat accumulates, the air rises up, goes towards the sea, and sinks down there. When there is more air above the water, then the wind begins to blow from the sea to the land. Which of these great composers was deaf? Yes, it's Beethoven. Beethoven started going deaf at the age of 27. The disease developed over 2 decades and completely deprived the composer of hearing by the age of 48. The smallest planet in the solar system. Yes, it's Mercury. Mercury is the smallest of the planets in the solar system, as well as the closest to the Sun. In addition, the surface there is gray and has craters resembling the Moon. Which country's capital is Stockholm? Yes, this is Sweden. Stockholm is a Swedish city located on 14 islands. The most durable metal in the world. That's right, it's iridium. Due to its natural hardness, it is difficult to machine and has a high resistance to chemicals. The cost of iridium remains high due to its limited presence in nature. In which ocean is the Mariana Trench located? The Mariana Trench is the lowest and deepest point of our planet, For many centuries, it has been fraught with many mysteries that are not subject to complete research even with the most modern scientific equipment. Yes, the Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, not far from the Mar. The most numerous religion in the world. For many centuries, Christianity has been the most numerous religion in the world. According to statistics, it is practiced by more than 30% of the world's population. The largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is known as a gas giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, with a mass 318 times that of Earth. What is the chemical symbol of silver? Silver is an important element with various properties. The chemical symbol of silver is Ag. This symbol comes from the Latin word argentum, meaning shiny or white. How many days are there in April? April has now 30 days, but before the reform of Julius Caesar had only 29. What is Charles Darwin famous for? Yes, he is known for creating the theory of evolution. The diversity of animal and plant species is the result of the historical development of the organic world. The main driving forces of evolution are the struggle for existence and natural selection. What is the freezing point of water? In any freshwater bodies, including rivers, water freezes at a temperature of 0 degrees. What is the name of the capital of Australia? The capital of Australia is Canberra, not Sydney or Melbourne, the largest cities in Australia. In fact, these cities have been competing for the right to be called the capital for a long time. As a result, the authorities made an extraordinary decision to build a completely new city between them. Which of these countries has the largest area? The correct answer is Canada. Canada is the second after Russia largest country in the world. China ranks third, and the United States ranks fourth. How many of Newton's basic laws are there? Isaac Newton, in his work Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, outlined 3 laws of mechanics and the law of universal gravitation. The latter is not the basic law of mechanics, so Newton's basic laws are 3. Which state is the smallest in the world? The smallest state in the world is the Vatican. It is located on the territory of Rome, but is completely independent from Italy. What is the unit of atmospheric pressure measurement? The unit of pressure measurement in it is the Pascal. Put a like if you liked the test. Subscribe so as not to miss new videos. See you soon.